Hey everyone! Today we are diving into something super exciting, the future of ERP with Odoo 19. If you've been following Odoo, you know it's already one of the most flexible ERP systems out there. But version 19, it takes things up a notch with artificial intelligence. Think fewer manual entries, better forecasting, and a system that actually learns from your business. Let's break it down with some real examples. Smarter product management. Odoo 19 revamps the product form and adds AI-powered stock forecasting. Take this example. Fable Fashion sells ethnic wear. Their black Anaya kurta in size M is a fast mover. Normally, the planner has to check spreadsheets to see when to reorder. But in Odoo 19, the AI forecast says you will run out in 9 days. Place 240 units now and split between supplier A for speed and supplier B for lower cost. It even factors in seasonal campaigns like Navratri and adds a 20% demand boost. Instead of reacting when shelves are empty, you get a heads up and a ready-to-use purchase order. That's a game changer. Simplified units of measure and packaging. So here's an example. Say you're Brew Bride selling water bottles. Customers buy single bottles, 6 packs or 24 bottle cases. Before, that setup could get messy. Now, packaging and UOM are merged into one clean layout. Even better, Odoo's AI looks at order history and says, hey, 78% of wholesale customers order cases. Let's make cases your default for B2B and pack of 6 the default for your online store. That means no more accidental mix-ups between bottles, packs and cases. And when you quote 5 cases, Odoo instantly knows it's 120 bottles, checks stock and plans shipments correctly. Smooth and foolproof. AI in inventory and manufacturing. Now let's talk manufacturing, where things get serious. Take Nova Pharmaceuticals, producing vitamin C tablets. Each batch needs traceability. With Odoo 19, operators generate custom lot numbers automatically. Here's the AI twist though. If a worker scans the wrong lot into the wrong work order, Odoo blocks it and suggests the right one. If a batch is about to expire, it automatically reprioritizes that stock for picking. And if scrap suddenly jumps from 1% to 4%, the AI raises a red flag, links it to possible machine wear, and even schedules predictive maintenance. That's smarter, safer production, and fewer recalls. Forecasting and decision making. This one's my favorite, AI dashboards. Imagine you're Atlas distributors. You've got hundreds of retailers and tight cash flow. Normally, finance teams chase spreadsheets to figure out who's paying late. But with Odoo 19, every open invoice gets tagged. Slightly on time, slightly late, or at risk, for instance. For risky ones, it creates a task for your collector with a suggested script and even recommends offering an early payment discount. On the sales side, it predicts which customers are likely to reorder in the next 14 days and creates call tasks for your reps with a cross-sell suggestion. This isn't just pretty graphs, it's actionable insights that schedule work for your teams. User experience upgrade. And of course, all this comes with a user experience upgrade. Clean record pages now show stock, forecast, all activities and activities in one view. You can inline edit things like purchase order dates right from the list view. Need to jump around quickly? Just hit the shortcut menu. Search anything, trigger a reorder or open receipts in seconds. And for operators on the shop floor, the mobile experience is nearly identical. Scan, validate, raise quality alerts, all with fewer taps. Bottom line, teams actually want to use it now. So that's Odoo 19, an ERP that doesn't just manage operations but predicts, recommends and helps businesses grow smarter. The question is, do you think AI in ERP is the future or just another trend? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into tech, and we'll see you in the next one.